Hello, my name is Matas. I came from Lithuania. I'm 20 years old and I won the contest 3 days connecting with BIP. I study at the Lithuanian Sports University, the sports management. I've been racing professionally before for 7 years. Right now I'm the mechanic. Last year I was in New Orleans, Louisiana for a Rotax Max Grand Final. I applied for this contest because I wanted to see how the products #1 in the world are being manufactured. And right now, for me, I'm still living a dream. I can't believe that I made such a big trip and BIP was able to provide me with such a nice emotions. The last day, yesterday, we visited the museum. I saw the garage that Mr. Bombardier was working in and going back to everything where everything has started. So I had the opportunity to visit the production line. I was really impressed how people can collect such different orders at the same time, you know. Everything is really recent, everything is really well made, well organized, everything was just more than perfect. I had the opportunity to see how the guy at the engine department do the engine test on a dyno bench. That was really nice to communicate with them. They're really great guys. In the past, I used to work at my home, at my workshop, together with my uncle. So I've been listening to every minute, every word, what people speak, and that's just amazing. We also visited the racing department. I was really surprised. I tried the side-by-side vehicle. The most amazing thing was the suspension, because doesn't matter how fast you drive, you can take the huge bumps and you don't even feel, you know. We also had the chance to meet the big guy, you know. He said he's gonna follow me next year, so I hope he does so. I had a chance to communicate to some of the BIP people, and also I was able to see the people working on machines, and I'm really surprised how people take serious their job, you know. They're happy, you know, they're smiling, they want to help you, they want to explain you how everything is made. Just an example for all the rest employers, all the rest factories in the world. I really recommend to everybody to attend to 3 days connecting with BIP contest, because it's just a really amazing experience, and it's really worth it. If I could, I would take all the building together with myself into my luggage and bring back to Lithuania, you know. Show people how the technologies are moving forward.